Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to find out battery draining apps on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing which apps consume the most battery power allows you to prioritize which ones are essential and which ones you can do without or use less frequently. And also, identifying battery draining apps help you understand your usage pattern better, allowing you to make informed decisions about which apps to use and when. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu. Okay, next you can scroll down and select battery option. Well, so here scroll a little bit and you will find the battery draining apps here. So you can click view details to find out more information. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to find out battery draining apps on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.